Have you ever felt like your world was just a little too gray? Well, let me tell you about Luna, a tiny butterfly whose wings shimmered with the promise of unseen colors. She lived in a world painted in shades of black, white, and gray. The trees, the rivers, the very air itself all were muted, and Luna felt a deep ache in her heart for something more, for a vibrancy she could only dream of. One day, while flitting through a silent gray forest, Luna felt a strange pull. It was a gentle warmth, a whisper of something different. Following this feeling, she discovered a hidden grove, completely shielded from the rest of the world. And there, in the center, was a miracle. A single flower, glowing with every color imaginable. It pulsed with light reds, blues, yellows, greens, a living rainbow in a world of shadows. Luna had never seen anything so beautiful. She circled it, mesmerized, her little heart pounding with awe. The magical flower seemed to sense the pure, hopeful spirit within Luna. It recognized her longing not for herself, but for her world. As she drew near, a soft light flowed from the flower's petals and enveloped her. It wasn't just light, it was pure color, a liquid rainbow that seeped into her iridescent wings. The flower had given her a gift. With every flutter, she could now paint the world. She had become a living paintbrush. With newfound purpose, Luna took flight. She soared out of the grove, her heart full of joy. She touched a gray rose, and with a gentle brush of her wing, it bloomed into a brilliant crimson. She danced over a field of dull grass, leaving a trail of emerald green in her wake. Each touch, each graceful stroke brought an explosion of color. Flowers blossomed in sapphire blue and sunshine yellow, and the river began to sparkle with 1,000 different hues. Her world was coming alive. Soon, other creatures, drawn by the breathtaking beauty, emerged from the shadows. The once quiet forest buzzed with excitement. A little squirrel, a wise old owl, even the shy deer, they all gathered to watch Luna work her magic. They had never known such wonder. Inspired by Luna, they started to find their own ways to celebrate the new world. The birds began to sing more vibrant melodies. The squirrels gathered colorful berries to decorate their nests, and the whole community learned to cherish the gift of color. But one day, dark clouds gathered on the horizon. A ferocious storm was coming, threatening to wash away all of Luna's beautiful work and return the world to its former grayness. The wind howled, and rain began to fall in heavy, colorless sheets. Panic rippled through the community. Was all this beauty destined to be temporary? Luna knew she couldn't let that happen. This was more than just color. It was hope. Summoning all her courage, she flew into the heart of the storm. It was a terrifying dance against the wind and rain, but she didn't fight the storm with anger. She met it with beauty. With every powerful beat of her wings, she released waves of brilliant, resilient color into the sky. She painted rainbows directly onto the storm clouds, infusing them with her own light. The colors swirled and mixed with the rain, turning the downpour into a shower of liquid light that didn't wash the colors away, but instead made them brighter, more permanent. When the storm finally passed, the world was more vibrant than ever. The colors had set, becoming a permanent part of the landscape. Luna, tired but triumphant, watched as a new dawn broke, casting a golden glow over her masterpiece. Her world was no longer gray. It was a testament to the courage of one small butterfly who dared to dream in color. Luna's story reminds us that even the smallest among us can bring about the biggest changes, painting our world with hope and courage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Luna's story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tales of magic and wonder.